Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Corolla Hybrid China vs Japan, which is better. First, set your priorities so we can weigh fuel economy, tech, and comfort. I will explain real-world driving feel, safety equipment, and cabin differences without fluff. Expect clear comparisons on power, warranty variations, and typical option packages. By the end, you should know which regional spec fits your needs and budget best. Let's talk about performance and efficiency so you understand how the cars drive. Japanese Corolla hybrids often feel quieter with tighter shift logic, while China models can be tuned for heavier traffic and rougher surfaces. Expect small differences in claimed fuel numbers depending on testing cycles, and real consumption depends on city versus highway use. I'll highlight what matters for daily commuting and highway stability to help you choose confidently. Quick recommendation while we pause. If you eat on the go during test drives, leak-proof meal prep containers are a small upgrade that stops spills and save time. They fit easily in cup holders and trunk organizers, and they make comparing fuel stops less messy. If you want the same containers I use, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we examine features, safety, and pricing so you know what you get for money spent. Some Corolla hybrids include advanced driver assist packages as standard in Japan, while China trims might offer different tech or larger screens. Upholstery and convenience options often reflect local tastes, and warranty terms can influence long-term value. I'll compare likely cost-to-feature ratios and suggest which spec gives the best practical return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.